architecture, but I typed in Chicago architecture. So this is the city of Chicago. I went up to where it says free download, and I downloaded that photo to my computer. So I'm going to walk you through the steps, and then I'm going to do a live demo, okay? That photo is now on my computer. But now I want to know, what are the colors in that photo? And the reason is because oftentimes we add a call to action or write words on our photo. So I hit the free download. It's going to go to your download folder on your computer. Well, now I want to know what were the colors in that photo. So I'm going to go and Google Canva color palette. This is a Canva tool, but not in the Canva app. I know that's confusing. So this is a Canva tool, but it is not in the Canva app. I am going to hit upload an image, and I'm going to upload the photo I just downloaded. And what Canva color palette is going to do at the bottom, it's going to tell me what the colors are in that photo. So imagine you just took a new listing and you're trying to get your color palette right for your marketing. You load your photos to the color Canva palette picker. Whoa, that's a mouthful. And it will tell you what each color is. I have all of this on my computer with multiple browsers open. I then go over to a tool called remove.bg because I like to infuse myself in my marketing. This is a photo on the left-hand side at the University of Chicago with a brick wall behind me. I didn't want that brick wall behind me. So the remove.bg removes the entire background. So now on the right-hand side, I have a transparent PNG photo. So now I can layer my picture on top of anything without the background. And now, once again, I'm going to show this to you live. I then come over to Canva. And when I come to Canva, I'm pulling in my background photo. I'm pulling in my transparent PNG photo. I'm pulling in the colors from that picture, and now I'm able to write on top of that picture.